Hello, for this video, I'm gonna make a delicious crab stick salad recipe. And here are the prepared simple ingredients. Here I have some crab sticks, slice of cucumber, already removed the seeds using a small spoon, some carrots, and a piece of ripe mango, a tablespoon of squeezed lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of mixed roasted black and white sesame seeds, and a half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Let's get started. Now let's slice our prepared cucumber. Let's slice it thin. And done. Now let's put it in our empty bowl. And now let's slice the carrot. The same procedure. Slice thin. And done. Now let's add them to our cut cucumber. And let's slice also our prepared mango. And also done. Let's add our prepared sliced veggies. And now let's shred our prepared crab sticks. And done. And let's add our crab stick into our bowl and set aside. In our empty bowl, let's put in our mayonnaise. Let's make a dressing for our salad. Add our lemon juice, our salt and black pepper. Mix it well. And done. Now let's put our prepared dressing salad to our prepared bowl. Mix all together. And done. And let's sprinkle with our roasted mixed sesame seeds. And our delicious crab stick salad recipe is ready to serve.